Hello, this is Angel Peachy One from YouTube. Now I'm going to take apart this guy. Yeah, he may look like a plushie. It's because he is, but he's got this electronic thing. Apparently you're supposed to slam him hard and he's supposed to say stuff. But maybe, I think the batteries died, so we're going to have to do a little bit of surgery. Now aren't we? Don't worry, he doesn't feel a thing. Besides, I'm going to sew him back up later. Oh dear. Yeah, I'll sew him back up, but I won't put the thingy-majig back in. Looks like the battery's corroded. Sorry, Patrick. Here, I'll put you over there with the other things that I took apart. I'll sew you back up later. I shall... need a bigger screwdriver. Ha, here's one. This probably has never been opened since the manufacturing date, which is probably like the year 2000. That's when everyone liked spring boob. Ooh, lethal. I wonder what's inside here. Ugh. That's the best thing to hear ever. Just that snap of the screw turning for the very first time in years. Gives you a nice excited feeling, doesn't it? Probably not you, because you're not weird like me, but still. Yeah, what a shock. That's what's inside there. You could have seen it from 10 miles away. Well, the good thing is the battery compartment hasn't corroded or nothing. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye.